dynamite. Turn to a million, then we all rich. That's just how I feel. The last one not to get this dope.
Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you all how I made my digital vision board for 2023. So you start off on Canva. This is a free platform. If you want the pro version, they have different packages that you can purchase. I love Canva. I've used it since I was in college, and I could definitely vouch for the pro version. You're going to go right on in, type in desktop wallpaper. I like to go in and look at the other templates they have. This is just easier to me. It already puts some of the elements there, like your heading and different designs, just to give you an idea. There are so many different fonts that you can choose from. You're going to want to click on the Elements tab, which is right underneath templates on the left side of the page, and up top you should see a box that says frames, and that's what you're going to want to put all over your screen so that you can add your images there. And I like to kind of split the screen in this way and have Pinterest up just to make it easier. I'm just going ahead and saving some of the images that I already saved to this vision board folder of mine. This vision board folder, I definitely went based off of the wellness wheel. So that is something that I am huge on promoting on my channel. So if you are not familiar with the wellness wheel, allow me to talk to you about it. This is the one I usually reference, created by Clarion University. I love how in-depth they go. So the wellness wheel illustrates a wellness model, typically using around 7 or 6 dimensions or 8. It just varies on which model you're using, but I most typically go with 7-component model, which, as you can see, includes spiritual, emotional, intellectual, physical, social, environmental, and financial. These dimensions are interconnected. Basically, what this illustrates is just the importance of a well-rounded and balanced lifestyle. For me, this is a great way to track my overall health and well-being, just so I can identify what areas I might need more support in. I thought this would be a great guide to go off of for my vision board, because I want to start implementing routines that actually help my personal wellness. I basically saved my images and just arranged them in little folders. Look how cute it is. I arranged my little folders just to make it easier for myself. I also make sure that my vision board is realistic and individualized, so that when I do look at it, I actually feel inspired. I actually feel motivated. You're gonna go right on back to Canva, and you're gonna just go ahead and take all those images and upload it right to Canva. Canva makes it so easy. All you have to do is literally just hover it over the page and it uploads them. What you're seeing me do here is just adding them to the different frames. So I am just playing around with it here, really just placing things how I like, visually appealing to my eye. Me personally, I don't really like a bare vision board. Vision boards are something that is definitely individualized. You cannot go based off of somebody else's vision board that you saw. Create one that actually motivates you. Mine tends to have a lot of different images because there's a lot of different things that I want to do. But for 2023, I feel like this is more cohesive, again, because of the wellness wheel that I'm referencing, but also because my images are clear and I picked ones that really resonated with me. So again, make this personal for you. Now friends, I did do a version of this on TikTok as well, so you can check that one out if you're wanting to see just how I did a iPhone wallpaper. But either way, if you have the pro version of Canva, you're able to resize it with little to no issue. But if you don't have the pro version, then you can always just start off by doing an iPhone wallpaper and do essentially the same thing. Get creative with it, friends. Place images where you would like. Then I just go in and I'm playing around with the heading. Ended up with this one, so completely different than what I was playing around with, but that's what happens. Then you're just gonna go ahead and save it, set the image as your desktop, and there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video, but I don't feel like there's much to it. Either vision boards work for you or they don't. I just think that this is a fun way to kind of get prepared for the new year. It doesn't need to start the last week of December or even in December, right? This is something that I've been looking into towards the ending months of the year. And so this always just gets me motivated for the new year. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, honey. Okay? Peace and blessings to you in this new year. Stay blessed and stay sweet.